Hello all, welcome back again. As you all know that there are many instances of young people passing away due to heart attacks, not just in this COVID season, but at any time nowadays the instances of young people with heart attack are becoming very high. Now, the reason for this, there is a connection between liver and the heart, and also vitamin B12 and D3. Now, what is B12? That is the life force, and D3 is, as you all know, coming from sunlight, which is produced under the skin in the subcutaneous layer of the skin. Now, what is the connection between liver and heart? There is a change in hepatic blood flow because of liver conditions in the heart and vice versa. Now, hepatitis, you always know, is connected to liver. Now, both B12 and D are stored in the liver. Now, when there is any insufficiency of these, and especially for Indians, there is a genetic predisposition of lower vitamin D, even though we have abundant sunshine. Because the skin is dark, the melanin, it kind of blocks the sun rays from entering. We already live in a tropical country, and it is not easy to absorb vitamin D. So you have to stay longer and at the correct frequencies of the sun. What happens is liver is not efficiently able to absorb B12 or D3 when there is some kind of a stress or an injury. The lack of nutrients further complicates the health problems because liver and absorption of nutrients is essential for any organ repair and cell tissue damage. And excess of vitamin B12 is also not good. Excess of vitamin D is also not good. See, excess of vitamin B12 can cause depletion of vitamin C. So these are all interconnected. It's a delicate balance. You don't need to worry about it as long as you eat healthy and live stress free. Stress actually causes a lot of injury to the heart, in which process the heart tries to repair those injuries by cementing the injuries with a lot of things, oil and cholesterol, and there are like some tissues, and it actually kinds of cement the injuries. That is when it keeps blocking, when the cementing goes in excess of what is required and the blood flow reduces. Now, all this is connected to the liver because the digestion is not proper. Why digestion is not proper is because of improper lifestyle and wrong eating habits. Now, if you correct it, you can expect, and there's also something called leaky gut, where because of improper eating, again, the stomach lining, or you could say the mucous membrane, there are this corner T junctions in the stomach. It acts as a lining which prevents all unwanted things getting directly into the bloodstream. So that gets injured or that is torn, that is called a leaky gut. So wherein all your unwanted toxins get into the bloodstream, and this can cause inflammation and all kinds of things. So people just eat healthy, live basically stress free. Do not strain overtly. There are certain number of breaths that a human can take, and do not like push yourself so hard to exhaust all that. You can do exercises, please do exercises, which is very very essential, but do not push it beyond the body's limit. Slowly you got to increase your level of exercise, or just enough to keep the blood circulation and your body healthy. That's enough. No need to build muscles, and no need. So in process of building muscles, what you will do is you will tend to consume excess. It has been proven that excess B12 is bad, excess D is very bad. They can cause vitaminosis. So excess A is also bad. So live a balanced lifestyle and stay safe and fit. Thank you.